Thanks for tuning into our channel and welcome to Steamboat, Colorado, home of the Outlaw Mountain Coaster. Now, based on my understanding, the mountain coaster is the longest coaster in North America. It's more than 6,280 linear feet. And the track is located near the Christie Peak Express, and it descends over 400 vertical feet, and it will rise up as high as 40 feet above the ground. And you're going to go through all sorts of circles and waves and dips and 360-degree turns. It's really quite the coaster and quite an enjoyable ride. If you could help us out and subscribe to our channel and like this video and click the bell for notifications, we'd definitely appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching. As you notice in the video, we rode this coaster in the summer. So their summer hours are Friday through Sunday, 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. And it opens June 26th is their opening date. That's with the COVID and everything else that's going on. That's the hours that they had. My understanding is that this coaster is also open during the winter, during the ski season. So I'm not sure what the hours are for that, but definitely plan on riding in the winter as well. In order to ride, you are required to sign a waiver. My suggestion is to sign that via their website, which will save you a lot of time before you get up into the ticket office. So sign that before you get to the ticket office. The last thing I'll mention is I filmed this video in its entirety, so you get a true feeling as to how long this takes to go up and down. There's some great views on the way up, and you can see other riders coming down. But if you want to, feel free to forward to the coming down part. Other than that, get ready to witness the ride of the Outlaw Mountain Coaster. Enjoy! Thanks for stopping by the channel and taking a look.